Additional proof recipient. Additional proof recipient was a feature that Page Per Page developed for clients who needed to involve parties that weren't necessarily going to be accessing the Page Per Page website to be involved in the review process. So approving orders for printing and mailing. If you just needed another set of eyes on that proof package to be used as a review tool, we wanted to bring your attention to this feature down here that says send a copy of a proof to. And so this is the additional proof recipient. And all you really need to engage in this feature is an email address. So this might be a manager, this might be maybe one of the board members, but it's intended to be sent to a party that would not have access to Page Per Page to be able to make a review for an order. So by typing in an email address here, we can get somebody outside of the Page Per Page system the ability to put eyes on those files that are used for the review process. So we're at the wrap-up screen, review and submit. It's the final portion before you actually place an order. This is where that add additional proof recipient feature lies, and we will submit our order. And as usual, Page Per Page will create a proof for review. The order is going through a brief status of proof imaging in progress. But we do now have the available proof for our review. Subsequently, I did place myself as an additional proof recipient. And so we are going to be able to see a email result from that. So this is the email that was sent by the Page Per Page system to that recipient that might be outside of your organization. Giratoro has selected you to receive a copy of the proof for this order. And so we have the order number, the HOA name, the product type, our homeowner account, any special instructions that we may have used. We've got a note that says, please note, a reply to this email will not be read or received. So this is essentially a read-only email, but what we have included as attachments is our proof file. So this is the same file that the person who would make the official approval will have access to. We're also going to, in this case, have access to the data file that was included. Now, if there were any additional inserts or documents that were going to accompany this set statement, those would be included as well. So we really will attach as many review files as possible to give that additional proof recipient all of the access to any of the files to give their thumbs up or their approval for the order. You would just need to correspond that approval or cancellation notice to the user that sent you the proof.